Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to do fractions and exponents if you use Google as your calculator. So this is just my Google homepage. You go to your Google web browser, and when you type in fractions, it's a little bit different because you can't make them vertical. So what we want to do is put them in parentheses. So you can see that I've done this a few times, but I start my parentheses and then I type in my fraction. So let's say 3/4. So the slash means division, whoopsie daisies, and then the parentheses are kind of like a little code to tell the browser that that's a package. So it's going to use division first because division is all that a fraction is. And then we can do like subtract, add, multiply, divide, whatever you want. And then let's say 1/8. So again, I've done a second fraction and I've put them in parentheses. And you can already see here that it tells me what the answer is. But if you hit enter, what will happen is it will take you to a little calculator in here and it tells you. The only problem is I do not know how to convert this into a fraction because a lot of times we just want the fraction answer, right? So we have that. But then if you want to, again, do new parenthesis or new problem, you can do parentheses and then 1 divide. Oops, that's a plus sign, Azor. Delete. And then divided by 2. So now it looks like division and I got to close that up. And then let's say I want to do that's 1/2 times parenthesis 5/8. So again, it looks different and weird. Like I don't like using the times for times, but here we are. And then equals, and then oops, there we go. Again, it gives you a decimal answer. So again, not my preference, but that's how you do it if you do it in the search engine or if you do it in here. And then for exponents, we want to, we can't actually like raise it to an exponent like we can on our calculators at school. So like, let's say we wanted to do 2 to the 7th. So we do 2. And then if you go to your 6 and you do shift 6, it has this little up arrow thing, and that's called a caret. Okay. And so the caret means like raise it to. So this reads as 2 raised to the, and then you type in the exponent 7 and you hit enter. Gotta give it a second because it's actually got to load. And then you can see again that it's put it here into this calculator and it's given me the answer of 128. And then that's how you type it in here. If you want to do it in here, it's slightly different. We could do like 5. And then if you want to raise it to a power, it's this button here. It's an X with a little tiny Y above, and that's like the exponent. And you click that and notice a little box pops up. So this is almost a little bit better. It's more similar to what we have at school. And then you could say, let's raise 5 to the 4th power. And so you can see it's a little up there and you say equals, and there you go. So again, this is a tool for you to use to like check your answers and stuff. For fractions, go ahead and just multiply, divide, add, and subtract them on here. But the exponents part, remember that I'm going to want to see work. So don't just enter the problems in here, but you don't want to leave something like 5 to the 4th in your final answer. That's not considered simplified. If you ever have a number to a power in your final simplified form, just come here and actually do it, because I don't know what 5 to the 4th is off the top of my head, so use a calculator. All right, there you go. So there is using Google as a calculator. Good luck.